So we've got our protractor. Take the cross point here and put it at the start point. Line this bottom line up with the vector like that, get it in the right position. And then we can measure this angle here. So that is 35 degrees. Really, really important to remember to measure the angle so that we can give the direction. And then we can do 7.2 divided by 2, which is going to be 3.6 newtons. So what I can then say, so this is all of my working that I need for this, but to sort of state the final answer really boldly so that we definitely get full marks and we don't give the examiner any reason not to give us all of the marks available, we're going to say the resultant force equals 3.6 newtons, 35 degrees above the horizontal. Now there's lots of different ways that you can express the direction at GCSE level, but what's really important is that we have shown clearly that we have measured it and expressed it in some way. Okay, so that is how we find the resultant force, so how we find the overall force of two perpendicular forces, so two forces that were at right angles, using a scale diagram.